Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to build a drone from scratch. I have a part inside. You're gonna have this kind of box. In the box, you have several different components. Let me explain a little bit about this component. The battery was in it, and one battery, and this circuit board. Circuit board actually. It's a very small chip, and that is made of Arduino Reno system. And also we have a propeller guard right here, and this is a body frame. You're gonna put this circuit board on the top, and also we have some motors in here, and additionally we have small pieces of plate. We're gonna utilize this one to make a battery compartment, and we have a propeller inside, and a full propeller, and also we have a screwdriver. We're gonna use this one, tight up the screw to secure this whole system into body frame. So if you open this plastic bag, we have four motors, and also we have a very small teeny screw inside as well. And additionally, we have a rubber band to secure this whole thing in one frame. So now let's build. So first of all, just to look at this body frame. Body frame looks weird, but if you see this body frame, there is some plate on the top. So you're gonna put this circuit board on the top. But remember, so if you look at the circuit board, there are some complicated, chips inside. But here is a switch in here. This is a switch, and on and off. And also this chip is actually the Bluetooth. So Bluetooth, and remember we have a wire at the bottom. So Bluetooth, I called this Bluetooth area is head. So if you face this motherboard like this Bluetooth will be head, and this is left arm, and this right arm. I just name it like that, okay? So let's put this together, and here. So now we're gonna secure this motherboard on the body frame using the two screw. Let me take this screw out. It's very teeny screw, and handle with care. So let me pick this small piece of screw in here, and I'm gonna put this screw in over here, right next to the Bluetooth, and then use a screwdriver and like that. Tighten, and we need another screw in the opposite side in here. So it's very teeny, so you have to be careful to screw in like this. Yeah. So now I want to make sure it is securely, tighten these two components. So let me double check like this. So once you complete this body frame and motherboard, chipset, and next we have to connect. We have to put the motor and connect the motor to the motor slot. So let me put this motor first. So basically you wanna put this wire in this hole first, and the motor go like this, right? And then push hard. Yes, it's snug in. So let me put the next motor. But remember, I just put the motor first, the motor in here. But if you look at the wire color, this is black and white. Okay, black and white. So when you put the second motor, this gonna the run counterclockwise. So you have to put the same color and opposite slot in here. So put it in like that and secure motor in this hole and snug it in. Push a little bit hard. Yes, and then let me put in your third motor. So in your third one, number 3, go into this hole. But look at that. Remember, this wire color is red and blue. Red and blue motor goes in this way, and push hard. So again like that. The lastly, again, this is same color, but the opposite direction, opposite hole. So this last one, I'll put this one in this hole to complete motor installation. So now a motor and the motherboard actually secure into the body frame, and then we have to connect this motor wire to the motor hole in here. So electricity actually supplied to this motor to operate. Okay, so to connect this motor wire to the hole, you better just spinning this one to make it shorter, so it's more convenient to fly the drone a later time. So if you snug this one into this hole, you can use your nail and snug in like that. And this is another one, so you can round up a couple of times and make short this line and put it in. And so this is very tiny, so you have to be careful. Here you go. So now third one in, second one in, and then the third one, just round up a little bit again. Put this in this slot, this hole, like this, and then last one, and round a couple of times, and then put this in. So now we all 4 motors are connected to the main body, main board, right? So this is actually a basic process to put all this together. So now I have to attach this plate to make some room, battery compartment. We're gonna put the battery within this room. So the same thing. So there are 2 holes in here, so you can use screwdriver secure this plate into body, and this again use this small tiny screw and use screwdriver secure and like this. And then the second one goes into this hole and use this screwdriver and turn tight like that. So now I secured this plate for battery, and then I'm gonna put this battery into this compartment like that, then leave it like that. So now we actually put together all these motors and battery compartment before we connect this battery electricity. So I'd like put this propeller prop, the safety guard. So just to put this one to the on the top. Use your finger a little bit. Put this in. Like that. Or you can use this hard ground to put this in. Sometimes it's very tight. Yeah. So once you put the prop guard, you have to put this prop, the green one, as you can, as we said, as I said, the motor's color, you have to match motor's color in the white and black. In this case, this motor should sitting like this, and blue and red wire motor sitting like that. So this motor and that motor clockwise should cross over like this. So this should be the angle, situation angle 90 degree. So let me put the green motor first into the this black and white color. Like that. You're very slippery, okay. And then in here, the second one, green color, in here. Again, the green color motor should line up like that, okay. And then red goes in here, and another red goes there. Okay, so in case you put the motors in wrong position, you can use this tool to take this out. For example, just snug in this one and put it out like that. It's easy to take this out, okay? So you can do like that in case you put the motor in wrong position, location, okay? And once you complete this one, we need to secure this whole body just in case when drone fly, the battery gonna fall off, right? To protect that one, you may use this rubber band to secure your whole body like this, using the Bluetooth head like that. So and then you can connect battery and let me connect your battery like this. And then if once you connect your battery, use this switch, very teeny switch here. Just turn this switch on, and you see the LED light. It's ready to fly. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.